Hi, this is Brady Roberts, CEO and founder of iCapture. Many people, before they jump into iCapture, want to know, well, how are you going to get me up and going? How am I and how is my team going to learn how to use the iCapture system? We have a streamlined onboarding process that gets you up and running very quickly. Here's how we do it. We're going to take the next event that you're attending. We are going to architect the set of questions, the qualifiers, everything you need for your custom system. We're going to prepare that just for the upcoming show and deliver that to your team. Then we're going to actually schedule a time to do, before the show starts, we're going to do a quick training with your sales team from somebody who's actually been a rep in the booth on the iCapture team. They know what your sales team is up against. Once you've done 2 or 3 of these events, we turn these into templates that you're able to use over and over and over. So your event coordinator, your event manager doesn't have to recreate the wheel. Your system is ready to go. You pick the type of template for the type of show. Many of our clients have one type of template for large trade shows and another one for their smaller tabletop events. The large trade shows are more geared towards scanning and higher volume, and the smaller events typically are a bit more intimate, and the amount of data that might come out of a conversation could be greater. We would create 2 separate templates, one for each of those, and then as you go to events in the future, you just pick which one you want to go with, and then you're up and running in a matter of 5 minutes and ready to push that out to your team who's going to be attending the show. First of all, we assign every single client a personal onboarding rep and customer success rep. So you have a direct point of contact. So if you have any questions or if anything goes wrong, you've got a go-to person. That ensures that nothing falls through the cracks and that you are able to get up and running as quickly and seamlessly as possible. The first thing you will do with your client rep is to identify what are the key data points that a lead contains when it gets passed off to the sales team after the show. What are the key data points that are necessary to optimize that post-event re-engagement? Because it's from there that we reverse engineer every other part of the system that determines what questions the reps are going to be asked to fill out when capturing a lead, and what data and how that data is going to move into your CRM or marketing automation integration. If you don't even quite know what the best data points are, our team has got a portfolio of proven blueprints from our clients that have captured hundreds of thousands of leads so that you can plug and play the best practices from the industry and end up with lead profiles that your sales team is absolutely going to love. All of this is in place to make your onboarding process and ramping up fast, efficient, and easy for you and your team. We're going to hold your hand for the first few events to ensure that you are capturing hot leads and delivering those to your team in the first couple of events, getting that success under your belt, and so your team has confidence that what you've put in place is gonna work show after show after show. Let's have a conversation to see if iCapture is right for you and your team.